Tired of stripping screws, weak manual drivers, or bulky tools that slow down your repair jobs? Whether you're fixing smartphones, laptops, glasses, or small home gadgets, a precision electric screwdriver can save time and effort. Compact, rechargeable, and designed for accuracy, these tools make DIY repairs faster and easier. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best electric screwdrivers you can buy right now. We checked features, performance, and user feedback to create this list. Links are in the description for updated prices. Let's get started. Number 5. Worx 4V Mini Electric Screwdriver Set, WX242, WX241, WX240. The Worx 4V Mini Electric Screwdriver is a compact yet powerful cordless tool designed for light household and electronics work. With USB rechargeable convenience and smart torque control, it prevents over-tightening and stripped screws. Its ergonomic grip makes one-hand operation easy, while the LED light improves visibility in tight spaces. The 4V motor delivers reliable performance for assembling furniture, installing fixtures, or small repair tasks. If you want a trusted brand with balanced power and portability, this is a solid entry-level choice. Number 4. Glacok S6 MAX 5-speed precision electric screwdriver set. The Glacok S6 MAX stands out with its 5-speed torque adjustment, giving you precise control for delicate repairs like iPhone disassembly and small electronics. Powered by a 3.7V rechargeable battery, it delivers smooth and consistent performance. The slim pen-style design feels comfortable in hand, while multiple precision bits make it ideal for DIY repairs, circuit boards, and gadgets. Its adjustable torque system helps protect sensitive screws and components, making it perfect for tech enthusiasts and repair professionals. Number 3. LYUWO Mini Wireless Electric Screwdriver 1300 mAh. The LYUWO Mini Wireless Electric Screwdriver combines portability with strong battery life thanks to its 1300 mAh rechargeable battery. Designed for multifunctional repair tasks, it handles electronics, small appliances, and DIY projects with ease. The compact body makes it easy to carry, while the precision torque output ensures controlled screw driving. It includes multiple drill bits for versatile use, and the wireless design eliminates cable clutter. If you need a reliable mid-range electric screwdriver for regular repair work, this one delivers excellent value. Number 2. Wowstick 1F Plus Pro 64-in-1 Electric Screwdriver Kit. The Wowstick 1F Plus Pro is a premium precision screwdriver kit featuring 64 magnetic bits for maximum versatility. Powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, it offers smooth and quiet operation with built-in LED lighting for better visibility. Its slim aluminum body feels high-end and comfortable, making it perfect for smartphones, laptops, watches, and small electronics. The magnetic bit system ensures quick swapping and secure grip. If you want a professional-grade toolkit for detailed repair work, this model is an excellent choice. Number 1. Jakemy 180-in-1 Magnetic Precision Electric Screwdriver Set. The Jakemy 180-in-1 set is the ultimate all-in-one repair kit for electronics and device maintenance. With a massive range of precision bits, it covers almost every screw type used in phones, laptops, gaming consoles, and more. The electric screwdriver provides steady torque for efficient repairs, while the magnetic design keeps bits secure and organized. Ideal for hobbyists and professionals alike, this comprehensive toolkit offers unmatched versatility. If you want maximum compatibility and value in one package, this is the top pick. A good electric screwdriver makes repairs faster, safer, and more precise. From compact everyday tools to professional multi-bit kits, these 5 models offer excellent performance and value. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or tech repair pro, there's a perfect option here for you. Which one would you choose? Let me know below.